What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today we've got a holiday special. So the issue that we're having here is I'm in Turkey at the moment and the hot water system isn't working. Of course, just my luck, I can never relax. So the issue that we're having here is the actual temperature gauge is staying at 20 degrees. It doesn't go up, and you can see the light right here. We're trying to get this one here set at 60 degrees. You can hear it kicks over, nothing's really happening. We've got a red light here, which shouldn't be red. I've asked the hotel reception here to come out and fix it, and basically they can't get anybody out. So I'm gonna give this one here a crack myself and try and get this sorted so I can actually have a shower. So what we're gonna do first and foremost is, obviously there's not that much that I can do. I don't have my tools here, but the main issue usually is when you're not getting proper heating is a power supply issue. We know we've got power here because we've got that little red light on. We've got the circuit breaker right next to it, so we know we're getting power here. But sometimes what happens is the system will actually shut down for whatever reason, and there's an internal reset button. So every single hot water system will be slightly different. Most of the times you'll have a compartment here on the side with easy access to open it up and reset it, but we're gonna have to do it from the inside. So this one here, I've never come across this brand before. So what we're gonna do, switch off the power first and foremost, and we're gonna have to remove this little compartment down here to gain a little bit of access. So if we have a look down the bottom, we've got our inlet and outlet hose. Nothing else that's visible down here except for this screw. So we're gonna quickly remove this one here. Once again, I don't have any tools with me. So I'm just going to use one of their coins. This one here I think is a 50-cent piece or something like that. I'm not really good with their money. Just shove that one in there, put a little bit of pressure, and we're going to back off that screw. Once I've got that one there off enough, I should be able to do it by hand. Might need just a little bit more. That's why I love to carry my tools around. You never know when it's going to come in handy. And it's now like 9:30, 10 o'clock at night, so there's no way these guys are going to come out and get it sorted in time. It's actually been an ongoing issue for the past 2 days, but we're going to try and get this one here sorted. So that one there is now coming off. Whatever you do in this kind of work, just make sure you switch the circuit breaker off, because there are wires inside. Last thing you want is to get yourself into trouble. This one here comes off like that. Now it's a little bit hard to see in here, so these are all the internal components. What we're looking for is a reset button, and if we have a look really nice and close, we should be able to find a reset button in here somewhere. And if you have a look right back there, I think I can see one up here somewhere. So I'm going to quickly press that button, try to get it in the angle for you guys so you can see it as well, wherever it went. Wasn't planning on doing any recording here, but alright, so that's a little reset button there. Press that one there in. Now I'm going to put this one here back together before I switch everything back on. I might even just leave it like this and I'll put the screw in a second, switch it back on. And there we have it, guys. You can see the little orange light is now kicking, which means in probably about, I don't know, depending on how crappy this unit is, but hopefully in about an hour's time I'll be able to have a nice hot shower. If it happens again, which most likely it will, I'll just have to simply open it up and reset it again. But there you have it, guys. Holiday special for you guys. From Turkey all the way on the other side of the world, and still working away. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the videos. As always, guys, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.